Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OneLogin SSO beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to OneLogin SSO, visit the OneLogin website. On the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on this button to navigate to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your company email, first name, and last name. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After completing the fields, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Then, click the Sign Up or Continue button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open your email and look for the message from OneLogin. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the OneLogin login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up your organization's information. Provide the necessary details, including your company name and address. Next, configure your single sign-on settings as guided. You can now integrate OneLogin with your existing applications if necessary. Follow the on-screen instructions to add and manage your applications. Once everything is set up, you're ready to use OneLogin SSO for secure access. Regularly check for updates and manage user rights within your OneLogin dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.